Perfect Day at CocoCay is Royal Caribbean Cruise Line's newly remodeled $250 million private island in the Bahamas. Its latest addition, Coco Beach Club, which opened January 31, 2020, marks the completion of the transformation and Phase 1 of Perfect Day at CocoCay. There are many experiences for the whole family that are complimentary, as well as exclusive thrills and amenities. We're going to dive into all of that up next. Located 120 miles east of Fort Lauderdale in the Bahamas lies Perfect Day at CocoCay, Royal Caribbean's private destination. The island is broken up between 5 distinct neighborhoods. Chill Island, it has you covered with so many ways to sit back and relax. Oasis Lagoon, which features the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. Thrill Waterpark with its towering slides and wave pool. South Beach, where you can amp up the excitement or unwind shoreside. And Coco Beach Club, a premium experience where you can lounge in the first floating cabanas in the Bahamas and savor upscale dishes while overlooking the ocean. No matter what you enjoy, there's something for just about everyone when you make a stop at Perfect Day at CocoCay. Coco Beach Club, which is the final addition to Phase 1 of the Perfect Day at CocoCay transformation, welcomed its very first guest on January 31st, 2020. Vacationers can soak up endless ocean views at this beachside escape filled with endless ways to lounge for every type of traveler. 20 floating cabanas bring a taste of the South Pacific to the island for the first of their kind in the Bahamas. Each floating cabana features a private slide into the ocean, overwater hammock, dining area, freshwater shower, wet bar, and an unbeatable ocean view for a day of opulent luxury. You can choose from 10 beach cabanas. These hideaways are nestled on the shore for optimal relaxation and awe-inspiring views. All the Coco Beach Club cabanas can accommodate up to 8 guests and feature plenty of loungers, a dining area, charging outlets for your devices, a mini fridge, snorkeling gear, and a dedicated attendant that will tend to a guest's every need, from cool concoctions to mouth-watering bites. At the center of social activity in Coco Beach Club is the clubhouse, with a bar serving craft cocktails including the Coco Cuvée, and a 2,600 square foot infinity pool with in-pool loungers, day beds, and poolside service. The exclusive restaurant, complimentary and only for Coco Beach Club guests, serves up an elevated menu that features fresh lobster, grouper, and steak, plus a selection of salads, fruits, and starters. Now there's an additional cost and the pricing is dynamic. Watch your cruise planner for any discounts if and when they become available. This exclusive area has a capacity of just 450 guests and is guaranteed to sell out. If you're looking to book the Coco Beach Club, you're going to want to book this as early as possible. The club is available only to those paying a per-person admission of $54 to $99 or a cabana rental, which covers up to 8 people and ranges between $949 and $1,599. Chill Island. This is the beach getaway you've been dreaming about. Chill Island is a tropical oasis nestled on the shores of CocoCay. Crystal clear blue water and powdery sands await your arrival. This island oasis features plenty of loungers so you can kick back and catch some rays. If you're looking for an upgrade, you can reserve a comfy seaside daybed or make it a party with a private cabana on the sand that's big enough to accommodate up to 8 guests and comes with a dedicated attendant. And what's more, when you're ready, tasty island eats are just steps away. You could fill up your plate right on the beach at Chill Grill. From tacos to barbecue chicken right off the grill, enjoy a full menu of Caribbean-style bites. With plenty of shade and picnic tables, Chill Grill keeps the laid-back vibes going all day long. Over at the Snorkel Shack, you'll find all your basic snorkel equipment available for rent so you're ready to explore the aquamarine tides. If you've got the need for speed, book a jet ski and feel the wind against your face and the sun on your back as you zip across the waters of the Bahamas. With kid-friendly coves and adult-friendly cocktails, this is no mirage. You've found Oasis Lagoon. Tucked away between Coco Beach Club and Chill Island lies the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. Oasis Lagoon features a 23-seat swim-up bar where you can float on over and grab a Coco Loco or an ice-cold beer. The pool also features a beach-style sloped entry that makes wading in a breeze for fun and sun seekers of all ages. Out of the water, Oasis Lagoon is flanked by plenty of loungers, and if you want your own private slice of paradise, for an additional charge, there are plenty of cabanas that come with concierge service. Once you've worked up an appetite, take a stroll over to the nearby Snack Shack, where they offer tasty treats like burgers, hot dogs, salads, and more. Amp up and wind down at the newly renovated South Beach neighborhood at CocoCay. Start your day with a little volleyball match on the sand, or get your heart rate up as you face off in a round of courtside basketball. Plus, there's tailgate games like oversized Jenga. South Beach is the spot for adventurers looking to stay active, and if you're looking to unwind in between adventures, you can always reserve a beachfront cabana. On South Beach, there's just as much to do onshore as there is to explore beneath the waves. If you need somewhere to stash your belongings while you bask in the sun and the thrills, lockers are available for rent in the sports pavilion. Nearby, the South Beach Bar and Coconut Willie's serves up cocktails, beer, and all your favorite tropical beverages. Coco Loco, anyone? For all you daredevils out there, Thrill Waterpark is sure to please. The centerpiece of the water park is Daredevil's Tower. It has 7 water slides, including Daredevil's Peak, at 135 feet, making it the tallest water slide in North America. For even more thrills, head over to Splash Summit, where you can conquer 6 amazing slides with your friends. When you're done riding the water slides, get swept away by the largest wave pool in the Caribbean. As with other neighborhoods on CocoCay, Thrill Waterpark also has premium cabana rentals available, all of which include complimentary admission to Thrill Waterpark for up to 8 guests. If you've worked up an appetite, there's also a snack shack located between the wave pool and Splash Summit. Now, in addition to the 5 neighborhoods we just covered, there are numerous other attractions to check out. Some are complimentary, and others are for an additional charge. For the kids, we have Splashaway Bay and Captain Jill's Galleon. Both of these are complimentary. If you're feeling adventurous, there's the Zipline for an extra charge,
3, 2, 1!
where you can soar across the island. Closed-toed shoes are required, so don't leave those on board if you want to ride.
Hey, that is so much fun!
For an extra charge, you can also take to the skies aboard a helium balloon and see the private island like never before. From the highest vantage point in the Bahamas, feel your heart race while soaring up to 450 feet above land and sea. We all know Royal Caribbean delivers the destination with their well thought out shore excursions, and the choices offered at Perfect Day at CocoCay are no different. Travel to a private isle nestled among the northern Berry Islands. Here, along the white sand shoreline, you'll meet a friendly group of pigs that call the island's tropical setting home. Take a glass-bottom boat tour where you can see a wide range of exotic sea creatures without getting wet. Go on a guided kayak adventure where you'll learn about the beautiful marine life of CocoCay while gliding through the water on a two-person kayak and enjoy a leisurely paddle through clear turquoise waters. We hope you've enjoyed our detailed overview of the newly revamped Perfect Day at CocoCay. If we've helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing so we can keep you in the loop with all things Royal Caribbean. Thanks for watching.